Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it, and today we are going to be looking inside my purse and seeing what we have. I'm going to be looking through my Coach purse. As you can see, it's a nice brown bag. It's pretty big. I guess the best way I can show you guys what's in here is just by pulling stuff out. So I'm just gonna get right into it because I have no idea how long this is gonna. I have no idea how long this is going to take. But yeah, we're just gonna start, see where it takes us. So first, I have my wallet. This is also Michael Kors. So thank you so much to my wonderful, amazing boyfriend for getting me both this wallet and this purse. He's amazing. He spoils me. I don't deserve him. Yeah, they match perfectly. He got them at separate times, and I don't know how he managed to match them, but they like match perfectly. It's kind of scary. So yeah, this is my wallet. It was a wristlet. It came with a little like strap, but I took that off, and that's actually hanging off my keys. So yeah, I just use this as a wallet. It works perfectly for that. So I'm just gonna set that aside. I'm just looking at an abyss of craziness. I don't really know where to start. I have an almost empty Bath & Body Works lotion. I should probably replace that with a new one, but this is like one of my favorite scents of all time. It's called Sweet Summer Kiss by Bath & Body Works. If you've never tried this, oh my goodness, girl, I don't know if it's still there. I know they switched some scents. It's like a summery scent, obviously. But yeah, definitely give that a sniff if you ever come across it. And then I have my Bose earbuds. Just comes in this cute little case. They're all bunched up in there, but this keeps it nice and like tangle free from everything else in my purse. So they're the ones that stick like in your ears because I hate buds that just fall out of your ears. Poop bags because I have a dog. So you gotta have the poo bags handy. So I have a new phone actually. I have the Samsung Galaxy S10, and this is like an old battery pack. So funny thing is, they're not compatible with any of the previous chargers from the other Samsungs. They have like a brand new charger port, so I have no use for that. So yeah, but it's a Jackery portable charger. You charge it with its own cord, and it gives your phone like I think just like 2 charges. Sorry if the light's going in and out. I'm going off of natural lighting here, so it might get darker, it might get lighter. I'm sorry, it's getting super bright now. But yeah, if you're looking for a good charger, definitely check that one out. But just be mindful that it's not compatible with Galaxy S10s. And then I have like a bunch of pens in here because I hate being that person that doesn't have a pen. We have a pack of gum. I'm super into Fresh Breath. There's nothing worse than having bad breath and like no way to fix it. Oh my gosh, it's like one of my worst nightmares is just having bad breath and like there's no gum anywhere in sight. Hair ties, because if I need a hair tie, I won't be able to find one, but cleaning out your purse, you usually find like 50 of them. And then I have Motrin. It's funny, I picked my nephew up from the airport the other day, and he had a headache, and I told him to look for this Motrin. I told him, I was like, it's like an orange pack, it says Motrin on it, and he was probably holding it the whole time, and he didn't notice, but got Motrin because your girl gets cramps on her period. You hear creaking? It's the chair. Yeah, super cute. And then I have this hand sanitizer. I'm not going to show you the front because it actually says the city that I live in. I got this from some sort of like event. So this is just like a mini little hand sanitizer. Some loose gum. Ugh, it's gross. And then I have like a nail filer. I get this one just from the packs, the Kiss nail packs. They come with filers. And then I have this hair tie because as you could see, I didn't have enough of them already. So that's what I just emptied, the 2 little pockets here. I'm not sure if you can see because it's dark, but there's 2 little pockets here. So that's what I just pulled those things out of. I have a bunch of receipts and coupons. Gonna have to go through those extensively to see which stays and which are expired. Oh look, another hair tie. Big shocker. And then I have a Chick-fil-A coupon. Free stuff every month. Free sandwich this month, free chicken nuggets next month, and free breakfast sandwich for September. So definitely have to use that before July ends. And then more garbage. Tissue pack, because you never know if you're gonna break down and cry and you cough. Why did I have an accent? Then I have just a plain baggie. I don't know why this is in here, but I guess it can't hurt to have. That's what you end up saying to yourself when you get a big purse. Well, it's always good to have, you know? You never know. Right, Ace? You never know. He's like, woman, you are strange. And then I have this case that has the eye thingies that you wear at a tanning salon. Granted, I haven't been tanning in like 2 years, so that's probably not necessary to keep in my purse. And then I have a little flashlight. Hopefully it still works. Does it? Kinda? No? Yeah, it's an LED flashlight. My dog's trying to steal things off the table that I'm taking out of my purse. He's the most annoying animal in this entire world. And then I have a hair clip that's just randomly chilling in here because you never have enough hair things, you know? And then there's this middle pocket here, right in the middle. I keep lady products in there. I have a post-it note thingy in there that could probably be in a different department. And then just like napkins, like Dunkin' napkins that, you know, you never know if you're gonna be messy, but yeah, I just keep like tampons, pads, stuff that I want to keep concealed in that center zipper pocket. And then on the other side, I just have like loose leaf papers. I know my resume is one of them. I'm also a dog walker too on the side, so I have like report cards that the dogs get when I visit the people's homes. Yeah. Very last, I have this other pocket here, and this is my beauty stuff. So, oh my god, my dog is trying to lick the milk out of a cereal bowl that I had this morning. So I have a full-size deodorant in here because it's almost out, and I'm like, well, I might as well just throw it in my bag because I already bought myself a brand new one. So I just, until I run out of this, I keep it in my purse because it actually already came in handy when I forgot to put on deodorant one morning. And then I have this Queen Bee spritzer. You spray this literally on your vagina. You just spray it on your coochie cooch down there, and it makes you smell fresher. And then I have this cool little thing that's actually broken, but it's a brush and a mirror. What do you have? Oh, I yelled at him and he has his own toy. Whoopsie. Mascara by e.l.f., which is actually really good. It was like $3. Then I have this 24-hour color stay by Maybelline. I don't really recommend those. They don't really work that well. And then I have this L'Occitane lip mask, which I love. My lips went through like a super chapped period when like summer began. I don't know what, I think I burnt them, to be honest. And that helped so much. Then I just have this Scandalous Victoria's Secret perfume. It's a roller ball. Those are super convenient to take on the go with you. And then I have just almost empty hand sanitizer by Bath & Body Works. It's like a vanilla sugar. The vanilla sugar scented one. And then I have another e.l.f. product. This is their eyebrow pencil, because I've had numerous times where I forgot to like fill in my eyebrows and I'm like on the go, and I could just fill them in with this pencil. FYI, this is a really, really good eyebrow pencil. It's like super creamy, super pigmented, it stays really long, it matches me, it's just amazing. And then I have this e.l.f. concealer. I hate it. It's like super salmony and like not the right shape for me, so I never use it unless I'm like in dire need of it. I don't know, and that has yet to happen. And then I have another lip balm because you never have too many lip balms. I don't know what this is, what brand this is, but it's almond flavored. And then I have some eyelash glue, eyelash adhesive by Lash Grip. And then I have why can't I think of what this is called? Floss, wow. Because yeah, if you ever have stuff in your teeth like me, like I'm just a walking like mess. But yeah, floss comes in handy from time to time. And then I just have this compact mirror and I found a random bobby pin. And that is basically it. So I hope you guys liked seeing what was in this huge thing. It's a ton of stuff and now I have to go through it and put it all back. So that's not the fun part. The fun part is taking it out and looking at it. But I hope you guys were able to enjoy, and yeah, I always like seeing what's in people's purses. It's the nosy person in me that likes to know and get ideas about what I'm missing out in my purse. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and give it a thumbs up for Ace. Oh yes, you want to make a cameo. I know, always wants to make the cameo. So don't forget to subscribe, guys, and until I see you in my next video, bye!